Welcome back, guys. Today I thought I'd take a look at a distribution that was recommended to me by one of our viewers after I did a Debian, after I did the Robo Linux Debian review. One of our viewers recommended that I take a look at Point Linux. Now, I had not tried Point Linux before, and so I was curious, and I downloaded it and installed it, and I have to say that I'm very impressed. Now, Point Linux is, I'll call it a minimal Debian install. If you take a look at what comes with it, you do get everything that you need, but they don't overload you with a lot of things that you don't need. Whatever you want to add beyond what comes with the distribution, that's entirely up to you. So let's take a look at the web page. Now, Point Linux, this is 3.0. Debian under the hood, desktop oriented distribution, traditional look and feel. It uses the Mate desktop environment, which I really like that. Along with XFCE, those are probably my two favorites. Comes with Mozilla, and then Firefox and Thunderbird for mail, and uses DuckDuckGo as the search engine. But you can easily install Google Chrome or Opera, having non-free repositories enabled with a single package installation. So it's a minimal distribution, but it is very, very nice. If you take a look at some of the screenshots, really nice. I like the way they packaged it. Basically, it's a very nice looking desktop right out of the box, but it's very easy for you to tweak it and do whatever it is that you like to do to make it look the way you want it to. Now, the Mate desktop, let's see, it's got, this is the older version, the Teia version, but the Mate is on the 3.0, and as I said, I really like the way it looks. So let's take a look at the distribution in a little more detail. Now, this is the wallpaper that comes installed out of the box. Up in the top right, now you have a top panel and a bottom panel. The top panel has all of your menus, and then on the right is the system tray. The bottom has basically your open windows and your workspaces, 4 workspaces. So it's absolutely perfect. The only thing I would do is possibly add the open windows up top and maybe install Plank. But that's entirely up to you. That's a personal preference. Now, on the menu itself, for applications, accessories, and Grandpa, calculator, password and keys, Pluma text editor, search for files and take a screenshot. Very nicely laid out. Graphics, Eye of Mate image viewer, Internet, Firefox, Pigeon, Ramina, Thunderbird, transmission. Office is a LibreOffice. Sound and video, I installed GUVC View, Kazam, and SM Player. It came with VLC and Bracero. System tools, you got your file manager, disk usage, GDebi, log files, Mate system monitor, Mate terminal, power statistics, and root terminal. You get your places menu and your system menu, which encompasses all of your preferences. Administration, gparted, network print settings, services, synaptic, time and date, users and groups. The control center is a typical Mate control center, very nicely laid out. I like the theme. It's a minimalist type aesthetics for the theme, but it works very well. and I think they've done a really good job setting it up out of the box in a manner that really anybody would be comfortable with. For appearance, you've got a couple of themes installed, and again, you can install whatever it is you want to by adding more themes. For the background, minimal backgrounds, but again, they're very tastefully done. And the fonts. Now you can add whatever it is you would like in order to make it look the way you'd like it to. File management, you can configure. Now let's see, plugins, media, I'm going to leave that alone. Let's take a look at the what if they have the let's take a look at window manager. Okay, so you can enable compositing. We'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to leave the behavior the same, but I'm going to center new windows. Very easy, very easy. Very easy for anybody coming from Windows. Although it is a Debian distribution, the install went extremely smooth. So I don't see any issues at all, anything preventing even a novice user switching from Windows. This would be a very nice distribution. So everything is set up as you would expect with a typical Mate distribution. You've got your screensaver. Right now it's set up to a blank screen. I usually set it up to the pictures folder, but I don't have anything in that folder right now. And so there's Cosmos, floating gnome, floating Mate. Very nice, very nicely done. So thank you for recommending that to me. It does jump up on my list of Debian distributions, and I would put it ahead of Robo Linux only because of the issues that I had with the payment for the Stealth VM installer. But other than that, this is a fine Debian distribution, and one that I highly recommend. If you like running Debian, certainly give this a try. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Take care.